I was looking at Pinterest today trying to find some new ways to upcycle old jeans, and I ran across over 30 unique upcycles from the fantastic creators at Pinterest. There are some really exceptional designs, and I'd love to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. Take jeans of varying colors and cut them into 18 squares total for one pillow. Next, sew the squares together, leaving the raw edges on the outside. Stuff your pillow before sewing it all the way shut, and then you're set with a cute denim pillow. Take 2 pockets off of the same pair of jeans to ensure they match up with each other. Sew them together, leaving the top open. Use another piece of denim for the flap and cover it with lace. You could use fabric glue for this. Add a chain that has feathers and beads attached to it. Last, cut the decorative seam off of your jeans and use it for the handle. Either cut off a pair of jeans or shorts so that you have a frayed edge. Add some distressing with sandpaper and scissors. Seam rip down the side seam all the way on both sides so you have it split on each side. Hem the sides of your jean shorts. Add eyelets to the seamed area and lace as shown in the picture. Definitely not modest, but very cute. To make one of these cute hanging wall pockets, take a pair of jeans and place it in an embroidery hoop around the pocket area. Be sure the pocket is placed where you want it to lay in your final wall hanging. Cut around the denim on the inside so it neatly fits in the embroidery hoop. Add a hanger to the top of your embroidery hoop. Last, place your much needed items in the pocket to keep available in any easy spot you find. Cut 2 rectangles off the bottom of a pair of jeans that are about an inch wide. Be sure to include the hemmed seam when cutting your pieces. Carefully pull the strings out that run widthwise to get the frayed effect as shown in the picture. Cut 15 squares out of an old pair of jeans that are about 2 inches by 2 inches. Use your awesome crocheting skills to crochet the squares together as shown in the picture. You will need 6 squares each for the front and back and 3 for the flap. This bag also has sides and a bottom in which you'll need to cut a 2-inch wide long rectangle that wraps around the side, the bottom, and the other side. Be sure to crochet that onto the bag as well. Last, add the handle by using a hemmed strip of jeans that comes to about 1 inch wide once hemmed. Super impressive, great job! Follow the diagram to construct this bag made of old jeans. Either get some iron-on transfers, glue-on appliques, or freehand a similar design onto your jeans.